The new 408 is unexpected because it is different. It is the first of its kind, both in the history of the brand itself and in the car market as a whole. With the new 408, it demonstrates the creativity of its teams by offering a new fastback silhouette at the top of the C segment. This new age car offers a feline stance and unique allure, engineering excellence focused on efficiency and intelligent electrification, as well as the emotions provided by cutting-edge technologies dedicated to driving pleasure and instinctive use. The 408 stands out first and foremost for its dynamic fastback silhouette and its unmistakable style, but also for the extent to which it breaks the mold. Its feline stance is typical of the brand's models. Its lines are sharp, the grille is the same color as the bodywork to blend in perfectly with the front end, and it proudly boasts the new emblem with the head of a lion. The inverted cutout of the rear bumper is unexpected, while giving the profile a strong look. The range of engines powering the 408 includes two rechargeable hybrid versions with 180 and 225 horsepower, and a 130 horsepower petrol version. All three are paired with an 8-speed automatic gearbox. An all-electric version will follow a few months later. Efficiency was a key concern for the designers of the 408, since the combination of efforts in terms of aerodynamics, weight reduction, from 1,396 kilograms, and low-emission engines means that the vehicle can now boast remarkably low average energy consumptions, under homologation, both for the hybrids as well as for the 130 horsepower petrol version. The new 408 will arrive on the market at the end of 2022. A car with a global ambition, it will be produced at first in Mulhouse, France, for the European market and then, soon afterwards, in the Chengdu factory in China for the local market.